Occasionally, the dog also enjoys using the automatic auto fat shaking service. Our horse species doesn't understand the strange trend of human photography at all. Instead of pecking at the ground all day, you're the first chicken in history to fly.
Видно.
The mistake is repeating the same action and hoping for different results. Some days, cats behave in ways that don't align with their usual nature. There's always that one friend who's the most fashionable in the group. The classic boss in Legends, small in size but immense in power. I'm a dog, but I still want to have a face-to-face conversation to resolve conflicts. It's time to put the revenge plan into action. The classic way of making friends still holds value. These goats should join the circus, where they can showcase their talents. When you're just too tired of your PT's workout regimen. The unpredictable village chicken vying to win the heart of the lone hen in the World Cup. I think a clever cat like me couldn't possibly make a mistake. The image of girls trying to diet, then cheating on their diet day. All technology stuff is just a cat's game in the end.
Did she just make that noise? Was that her?
Yes.
Warranty only works if you have a cat. I've heard of snowboarding dogs, but this takes it to a whole new level.
No. No. Hey.
I'll have you know, this is an infringement on my rights as a bird.
No.
For cats, playing games doesn't need rules, just victory. You're looking quite pleased with yourself today. This is incredible. I think we've made a new friend, guys. Putting in a lot of effort doesn't always mean being efficient. It seems he's met his match, but we should worry more about our knees. The unique skill that helps cats always win over dogs. You're like a whirlwind of fur, always overflowing with joy.
Come on, Ross.
Left, right. With discipline and determination, even a parrot in the military can become a reality. It seems young persons still can't resist the allure of TV.
Alexa, play Sicko Mode.
Sicko Mode by Travis Scott on Amazon Music.
The cat's tail is not an easy tool to use for stealthy matters. When someone has to deal with a long-distance relationship. The goats have mastered the lesson of escape. Showing off hundreds of cat scratching moves, but they all have one thing in common: cowardice. Let's be honest, cats are much better at fishing than newbies.